Most people think this account is just for doctor visits and prescriptions. But the wealthy use it as a secret, triple tax-free investment loophole that actually beats the Roth IRA. If you are a working adult trying to build real wealth, you have probably heard of the 401k and the Roth IRA. They are great tools, but they do not compare to the absolute powerhouse that is the health savings account, or HSA. You see, most people treat their HSA like a regular checking account. They put a little money in, go to the dentist, and use their HSA debit card to pay the bill. That is a massive mistake. You are using a Ferrari to go grocery shopping. The real magic happens when you stop spending your HSA money and start investing it. Before we dive into the strategy, we need to clear up one major point of confusion. Many people confuse an HSA with an FSA, which is a flexible spending account. FSAs have a strict use it or lose it rule. If you do not spend the money by the end of the year, it is gone forever. But an HSA is completely different. The money you put into an HSA is yours forever. It rolls over year after year, it never expires, and it stays with you even if you change jobs or retire. Now, let us break down why the HSA is the undisputed king of investment accounts. It all comes down to the triple tax advantage. No other account in the United States tax code offers this level of tax shelter. First, your contributions are 100% tax deductible. When you put money into an HSA, you lower your taxable income for the year. If you contribute directly through your employer's payroll, you even bypass FICA payroll taxes, which saves you an extra 7.65% right off the top. Neither a Roth IRA nor a traditional IRA can offer that specific payroll tax benefit. Second, your money grows completely tax-free. Inside your HSA provider, you do not have to leave your money in cash earning virtually zero interest. You can invest it in low-cost index funds, mutual funds, or individual stocks. Any dividends you earn and any capital gains you accumulate are completely shielded from the IRS. Year after year, your money compounds without Uncle Sam taking a single cut. Third, your withdrawals are tax-free. As long as you use the money to pay for qualified medical expenses, you will never pay a single dime of tax on that money. You avoided taxes when you put it in, you avoided taxes while it grew, and you avoid taxes when you take it out. That is a clean sweep. Compare this to a Roth IRA. With a Roth, you pay taxes up front, and then it grows and comes out tax-free. With a traditional IRA or 401k, you get a tax break now, but you pay taxes when you withdraw it in retirement. The HSA gives you the best of both worlds and then some. But you might be wondering, what if I do not have a lot of medical expenses right now? How do I actually invest this money if I am healthy? This is where the wealthy use a strategy called the shoebox method. Instead of using your HSA debit card when you go to the doctor, you pay for your medical bills out of pocket using your normal credit card or cash. Then you scan that receipt, save it to a secure digital folder, and literally forget about it. Under current IRS tax laws, there is no time limit or expiration date on when you have to reimburse yourself from your HSA. This means you can let your HSA money sit in the market, fully invested, compounding for 10, 20, or 30 years. Decades later, you can pull out all those old receipts and reimburse yourself tax-free for all the medical bills you paid decades ago. You get to use tax-free money to fund your retirement lifestyle, while your investments had decades to grow. Even if you do not want to save decades of receipts, the HSA still has a massive safety net. Once you turn 65, the 20% penalty for non-medical withdrawals completely disappears. At that point, your HSA essentially turns into a traditional IRA. You can withdraw money for anything you want, like a vacation, a new car, or daily living expenses. You will just pay regular income tax on those non-medical withdrawals, exactly like you would with a traditional 401k. But if you do have medical expenses in retirement, and let us be honest, most of us will, those withdrawals remain 100% tax-free. To qualify for an HSA, you must be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan, often called an HDHP. If you are relatively young, healthy, and do not expect to have frequent doctor visits, choosing an HDHP with an HSA can be an absolute game-changer for your financial future. It allows you to shield thousands of dollars from taxes every single year. Stop treating your HSA as a health insurance coupon book. Start treating it like the ultimate retirement cheat code. It is time to check with your employer, open your account, select your investments, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful and want more honest, practical money advice to help you stop living paycheck to paycheck, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you are already investing in an HSA or if you are going to start today. See you in the next video.